Okay, so this video is not long overdue because I've had this baby since like December 30th. So I've had it for a while. And I'm doing a review today. Today, this review is going to be on, drum roll, cosmetic fridge. I had to unplug it because it was by my bed. But it's going to be on this cosmetic fridge. Okay, and this cosmetic fridge is by Danielle Creations. Excuse the box, bent up, it was in my closet. By Danielle Creations. And this fridge has two settings on it on the back. It has a hot and a cool setting, as you see. It has a warm and cool setting. The cord came with it at first. When I got it, I looked in the box and I did not see the cord until I opened the actual fridge and the cord was in there. And my boyfriend at the time, he was just like, I don't know if you should get it because the box is like open. It was like kind of torn open. And so he was just like, I don't know if you should get it because what if it don't work? And I'm like, if it don't work, I'm just going to take it back and we can just order one from offline. But luckily, I got lucky and it worked. And we got this from Marshall's. And I've been wanting one of these forever. My mom had suggested it for me a long time ago. She was like, why don't you get a cosmetic fridge since you're into skincare and everything and esthetician work and stuff like that. And it's still cold because I literally just unplugged it. When I tell you this thing works, baby, if you're into skincare like I am, and you use all kinds of skincare, whether it's natural products, store-bought products, Korean skincare products, makeup, this is good for you to store. Foundation, anything that you put on your skin that has an expiration date, this is good for the longevity of those products. So it helps it last a lot longer than it would if it just was sitting around. Let me get this box real quick. This box says idea products and benefits for cool and warm. Okay, this is for facial oil serums, sheet mask, facial mist, perfume. Oh, I didn't know that. I did not know that. Perfume, lotion, and moisturizers. Liquid cosmetics such as foundation, concealer, and stuff like that. Beauty tools, which I have, such as jade, amethyst, or rose quartz, facial rollers, and etc. Okay, so that is what its uses is for. Let's see, it says features. Beautiful. I can't read. I just got home from work not so long ago. A couple hours ago. So the features are beautiful high glass shine, secure handle door, locks into place. 2 second. I said 2 seconds. What? Girl, can you read? 2 sections inside for small and large cosmetic with a removable shelf. Temperature, cool at 15 degrees. 15 degrees Celsius and 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and heating is 65 Celsius and 149 Fahrenheit. So this cosmetic fridge is pretty legit. I have to say, it works amazing. I really love this fridge. I'm actually going to get me another one because I have a whole drawer right here, like 3 drawers full of cosmetic stuff. So I'm going to actually get another one because they actually have these fridges, cosmetic fridges on Amazon in different sizes, and I want one a little bit bigger because this one is, I'm not going to say it's small, it's pretty medium size, but it had a lot of room inside, so I'm going to get another one. This also says boost the effectiveness of your skincare and cosmetic products with a special design cosmetic refrigerator developed to keep products cool and warm to optimize their performance. And it does that, baby. They never lied, okay? And I will begin cold.
Its uses, it says, before using this fridge for the first time, turn the front handle clockwise to open. Plug the fridge in, turn on the power switch, located in the back. Once turned on, wait a few minutes for activation and allow the fridge to turn on. For cool temperature, push to right. To activate the green light. For warm temperature, it says push to left to activate the red light, which makes sense. Okay. Allow approximately 5 to 10 minutes for it to reach its desired temperature. So, the fridge fridge really does have a lot of benefits. I really do recommend you guys get this if you do wear makeup and stuff. It does boost its effectiveness as far as skincare products, because you need your skincare products to be cool in order to close up them pores. You also need some skin products to be warm to get into the pores to get the dirt out. Okay. Also, it makes your foundations and everything last a lot longer than it would sitting in the side of the room, just thrown in a corner somewhere. Because most girls that I know are not really organized and stuff, or don't really have as much makeup as I do. I have everything organized. And I really just really, I really guarantee this. Okay, I really guarantee this. It did not come like this. I kind of DIY'd it. It's pink. I really like it. It's pink. Okay, I'm gonna open it. As you see, it has quite a bit of stuff in here. But it has quite a bit of stuff in here. Let me move this out of the way. As you can see, everything just fell on me. I couldn't get no realer than that, bloopers. I'm not deleting them out. But as you can see, it has quite a bit of stuff in here. And it just keeps falling. Baby. But it's good. I really like this. And it's cold. It's dripping all over me because it was cold and I unplugged it and it needs to be plugged back up. I really, really recommend you guys get this if you want to keep clear skin. You know what I'm saying? Your skincare has a lot to do with your makeup application. And anyways, like, that's the biggest part of flawless makeup application, to where it look like your skin and you don't look like a cake face. Because honestly, yes, I understand some people like the cake face, but I despise it. I despise it, because really that's why people think you're catfishing, because you're just loading your face down when really all you have to do is take care of your skin, and you don't have to use that much on your face as far as foundation and concealer and stuff. Like, that's just doing the most. And then you gotta put freaking setting powder and foundation powder, everything on top of that. Like, that's doing too much. You're doing too much just to look different, when you're not supposed to look different. You're supposed to look yourself. Makeup is not meant to change the way you look, but to enhance the way you look, okay? But I really do recommend you guys get one of these. They're not even that expensive. Don't be a cheapskate. Get you a fridge, baby. Get you a fridge. Get into that skincare if you want your makeup to look flawless. And I think that about sums it up. Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell so y'all can be notified of any of new updated videos that I might upload. And stay tuned for the next video, okay? Because there is more. Hello, there's more. If you didn't watch my old video that I had put up, the power up makeup, and the ones after that, get into the video. Get into it. Okay. I'll see y'all later.